Alright, I'm going to do a comparison of a Honda 400EX stock exhaust compared to the new FMF Q4 exhaust. We're going to do basically size, the length, the weight, and sound in decibels. So first we will do the length of the stock exhaust. From the tip to about the end is about 22 inches. And for the Q4, about 23 inches. So roughly the same size. Got this handy dandy travel smart thing that I'm going to get the weight. So I'll hold this, do it from the same hole since this one has that hole. Sorry about the bad camera angle. So this one, if it's ever gonna weigh it, hello. I don't know why it's not oh, because I didn't turn it off first. Okay, well. Okay, here we go. So, we're right at about 8.2 pounds, 8 pounds. Yep. About 8.2 pounds. We'll check out this one. And about half that, something like that. 4.4, 4.3, about 4.4 pounds. So almost half as light. So that's good. All right, I'm gonna test the stock exhaust on the 400EX using this little handy dandy app. I'm gonna test it at idle, a little bit of throttle, and then cracking the throttle. We'll see what it does. Idle, we're sitting at about 80. FMF Q4 is now installed. And get ready to do a sound test on it. I'm going to do one with the spark arrestor in, and then one with the spark arrestor out. Time to test the Q4 muffler with the spark arrestor. Now for the Q4 without the spark arrestor. A little bit of throttle, we're sitting 115. So there you go. Now we'll hear it up close with the spark arrestor. Now we can get some sound of the muffler without the spark arrestor up close. That concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I love the new muffler. It sounds awesome, and I'm very, very happy with it.